What did you do on after the bombing? You went to Bilbao to find your
Well,
family?
yeah, I mean, I probably get messages to take maybe somebody, or say, you know, your wife or your husband has been injured. Will you go at such and such a hospital and take a message? Yeah.
And you
Yeah.
were doing that in Durango?
Yeah, combined, depending what it was. Doing drumming, to the armament, to the repair place. General duties.
A handyman? Could be.
General duties.
Yeah. And for example, after the bombing, the second one, the strong one, so many people left the town, didn't they?
Yeah, yeah.
And can you remember?
What happened, I think, as the Ochendianos started collapsing, and the other area they came down, they broke away from there, they came down the other side, back on Lorrio, not that part, they realized they would be cut. So they started retreating back there, because they knew also, coming from Urquiola, the other side, they already penetrated towards that side of the road, in the woods there. So they knew that something had to be done, so they started retreating. So the people also, being probably warned, told, you know, they are coming, and the roads were full of carts, horses, children, old women, people carrying stuff. But there were machine gun hunting times along the road, a lot of people. When we took these wounded up to the cemetery, to the hospital, we found again on the road a lot of people injured, because the aircraft came over and all along the road, and this machine gun up. Yeah. It was quite a tragedy, really. Yeah. But we had nothing really to hold them. I know that, as I said, near Lemona, there's a mountain there, it's a hill, really. They excavated and they put barbed wire and stuff. And I was telling that to Juan Mari. Juan Mari knew about it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And they made it like a sort of reinforced place there, and they had another group in front to, as I say, stop. You know. Yeah. But it came very quickly, really. The collapse. There wasn't the equipment to, not for the modern stuff they had. And not only that, if you got aircraft and the other side hasn't, your transport can be bombed, your supplies can be bombed, your soldiers can be bombed and machine gun taken out of position, which happened. That's what happened, yeah.